Hello, I'm Darkman of the Gun. Wait. Alright. They sent me this bath bomb, and I don't have it right now, because I've already... let's see if I can get it to... We'll find out. Let's try this. So they sent me the bath bomb, and obviously I've already used it, and this is the ring that I received. Oh my gosh. It's so shiny that it's struggling. Let's try this. Nope, that didn't help. All I have is this Monster Girls all I have is this Monster Girls. This is going to be all day today, is that I'm just like, yeah, I'm doing the thing, I got it, I'm going. And then I sit here and I'm like, I don't got it. I don't want to do the thing. Oh, that is very bright. May have been too much. You know what? Whatever, we've committed. Hip dot? I don't know. Hip dot. What is this song? I've never heard this song before, and I'm very confused by it. Well, I don't know what that song was. I don't know what was going on. Wasn't about it. Not sure if I'm about maybe I'm just not about this band. My Chemical Romance. Much better. I'm really hoping I like this playlist, but right now I'm not sure if I am. Ah, thank you. Thank you for all the lights. Did I just say lights? Likes. I got this. I'm fine. I'm using that on my... Yeah. Right here. Over the pupil. I got it. Ha. This is my mannequin. Why does Fall Out Boy have such long titles? One sec. Give me, like, 3 seconds. What is the title of this song? This is extreme... Okay. This song's name is I slept with someone from Fall Out Boy and all I got was this stupid song. So long. Vibe with their songs, I guess, as much as I do others, so I just kind of forget about it. Is that awful? Speaking of like great bands, Stockholm Syndrome are on Spotify. Is my friend's band. Should totally check them out. I just kind of chose this random words. I chose this random playlist. Oh my god, hello? Sorry, I have like hair that's just deciding that it wants attention. And I'm like, excuse you, I'm trying to contour. Oh, in this moment, she can still step on me. I am so incredibly in love with Maria Brink. It's insane. Somehow, we've gone through having 3 of the same best friends, but never being friends. Oh my god, I haven't heard this song in so long. I'm so caught off guard right now. Okay, my friends use iPods, and I'm over here like all of them have Apple products, and I'm over here like, yeah, so like me and my Samsung phone are just gonna continuously be lost. Ugh. We got lost at the airport looking for her car, or, well, in the parking lot. Like, I couldn't play maps for some reason, and that was the worst time of my life. Yeah, I had a phone there for a hot minute that, like, could not, for the life of it, play maps. And so, yeah, you can just imagine how often I got lost at that time. I'm such a hoe for highlighter, and I'm like, I should be a lot more careful with my highlighter. Did she just give me a chicken leg? Hello? From the stars. I don't know if I care. A limited edition Coca-Cola creation. I don't care. And you just hear like face and all, because I now squeal. I don't remember squealing in the past, but now I definitely squeal, and it's a really annoying squeal, and I'm like, I don't know how to fix it. I'm just caught off guard by most people having children. Like, people just out here having children, and I'm like, what? One of their friends say that they're pregnant and you're like, oh no, what are you gonna do? And they're like, have a baby and be happy, and you're just like, right, we're no longer teenagers, it's not like it's a problem anymore if you get pregnant, like this is like a life choice you can have. I just got black face paint all over the floor. It's fine. I'm sorry, but you guys were in Paris and he didn't propose? What? Oh, fuck. Was doing so good until then. I think this is the best the eyebrows are getting. I've just accepted this. They kind of look like second cousins, but it's fine. Hopefully the wig covers enough of this eyebrow that I'm fine. I don't remember what I was saying. I got distracted by chapstick. Did you sense the My Chem that I was playing? Or this one band that I don't know, but like I also know and I'm very caught off guard by it. My Spirit Gum, my Spirit Gum, that, why did I pause? My Spirit Gum, oh my god, no, wait. I feel like you will appreciate the name of this playlist. I randomly found it, and I just thought it was, Unicorns Killed My Girlfriend. Oh my god, where's the star? And like using my old, yeah, this is, I am explaining this in such a way. Let me just make things a lot more complicated than they actually are. I'm doing a unicorn, okay? And I'm just trying to, this is today. And then like one of my friends sent me a message and I was like, oh, if it's her, you know, asking me to hang out, I'll do it. Because I think no matter what, if you're older than teenagers, they just scare you. Hey, so I found something that might work to do the icy thing. And he was like, oh great, what are we doing? And I was like, glitter. I don't think I've ever gotten glitter all over the place so much like I have with hair glitter. I still find glitter from Mazelia, and I'm like, I haven't cosplayed her in like 2 years, maybe 3. What? Absolutely, check out Stockholm Syndrome. They're amazing. Shade is amazing. That was not what I meant to do. That's also the area that I want to cover with the wig anyways, because the eyebrows look... Wah. How did I not know this song existed? And everybody was like, what are you talking about? This song is amazing. And I was like, I've never heard this. I'm like trying to concentrate on things and saying not a good combination. I'm going down swinging. I want like a bullet. Not a gun complex, cock and pull it. Hell yeah, it's a little hell. You don't have to talk. My nose is now deciding. My eyes not, or my nose is now deciding. I've used my Glammax for so long, I've been so spoiled. I feel like you're gonna have to make, or like we're gonna have to make like a whole freaking itinerary, there it is,